Blackstone is supposed to buy real estate and take companies private. So why is it running a cloud computing business, and why is Google the minority partner in its own venture? Google and Blackstone just announced a joint venture to create a brand new US-based AI cloud company. The venture sells data center capacity, networking, and Google's custom AI chips called Tensor Processing Units, or TPUs, as a compute-as-a-service offering. Blackstone has named Benjamin Treynor Sloss, a Google executive with over 2 decades of building and operating Google's global infrastructure, as CEO. The first capacity comes online in 2027, but $5 billion isn't the real number. Once you factor in leverage, $25 billion will be the deal. That's how private equity works. You put in your own money, borrow the rest, and control an asset worth 5 times what you paid. Blackstone isn't a passive backer here. It's using Google's chips to build its own infrastructure empire. And that empire drops into a very specific competitive fight. This venture is a direct rival to CoreWeave, the GPU cloud that IPO'd earlier this year and became the hottest AI infrastructure name on the market. The critical difference: CoreWeave runs on NVIDIA. This new company runs on Google's TPUs, chips that until today you could only rent through Google Cloud directly. Blackstone just took control of a new distribution channel for the most in-demand compute on Earth. Private asset manager Ares estimated in April that the third-party data center opportunity alone is worth $900 billion. Blackstone just staked its claim on that market, using someone else's chips, with someone else's engineers. And the most genius part of all this news is that it will be under a majority ownership structure that Google agreed to. Wall Street isn't funding AI anymore. It's becoming an AI infrastructure. That shift is worth understanding at the mechanical level, which is exactly what we do at Fund AI Mentals. Subscribe so you don't miss what's next.